Buying a new construction home can be exciting. After all, there isn't anything like buying brand new, right? You get to select your finishes and all the colors. Your down payment is also staggered with installments that can be over a 3-year period. There could also be incentives such as free assignment, cash back for upgrades, and of course, price deductions if you get in early. Buying new could also mean no bidding wars. However, a new build pre-construction could also mean delayed closing dates, the average being about 2 years away. Anxious to move in? Move-in ready resale homes are readily available with the average closing date being only 60 days on average. Though they may not be brand spanking new, they may have additional features and finishes that you don't have to pay extra for. Pot lights, upgraded appliances, and exterior upgrades are a few to mention. Buying a fixer-upper makes the most sense if you are on a tight budget, but make sure you have the time to either renovate yourself or manage a team to do the renos for you. Either way, fixer-uppers can be a great investment that could be flipped or rented out. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Give us a call. We're here to help.